Hey guys, how's it going? DUJ2 here, and welcome back to welcome back to another unboxing. So I have like 20 something boxes of subscription boxes that I need to open, but we're gonna open first some fan mail. So I also have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, I have seven boxes over there of stuff that you guys have sent me, but I usually don't like opening stuff up on stream unless or on videos unless the person who sent it to me is watching too, because you know it's fun like that. So KStiles sent me this a while ago. Actually, this is the first box, so we're gonna open it first. And yes, I'm sorry I don't have my unboxing setup set up right now, but we'll do it next time. Okay, so should I be scared? Cool. Let's see what we got. We have a bag, and we have an oh yes. Oh, you guys can't see it. So green tea Kit Kats. Dude, thank you so much. You guys know I love all things green tea. And there's another bag. Is that it? That's it, yeah. So that's in there. Oh, it's a bag from Disney. Let's take a look and see what's inside. Oh, are you kidding me, dude? Okay, this is amazing. Okay, let's start with the first one. I gotta make sure my hands are clean. Oh my beep beep. Are you kidding me? Look. Ready? Ready? I know how to open this one. Look. Oh my glob. It's the ice cream. It's the Sum ice cream. Oh my glob. Thank you, dude. Okay, so we've got they're all gonna be stuck in here. They're not all duckies actually. So we've got, let's see if we can't pull them all out. Okay, so you can't pull out. Okay, so you've got Donald Duck in the front, and he's wearing a really cute little like ice cream outfit. So he's got the little bow tie, he's got the cute little like the 30s little hat and the shirt, and you've got Daisy dressed up as an ice cream cone, if I'm not mistaken. Yeah, see, she's dressed up as an ice cream cone. You've got Stitch dressed up as what? I don't know what Stitch is dressed up as. What is Stitch? Oh, Stitch is dressed up as like a Hawaiian snow cone. He's dressed up as a snow cone, and then we've got what's the name of the girl Stitch? I always forget. Oh my goodness, she's textured. Oh wow, the quality on her is amazing, and she's right there too. Angel, that's her name. Okay, we're gonna put them all back in there. Okay, so they all go back in here. Let's put them all back in here. So there they are on the side, and Donald is driving. Oh my goodness, dude, thank you so much. You have no idea how much I wanted this. Thank you so much. That is so cool. That's a Disney exclusive, isn't it? I think that's a Disney exclusive. Okay, and there's another thing. There's another little bag here. Okay, so there's another bag. Dude, you went to Disney? Dude, thank you so much. Okay, and this is awesome. That's the Some Disney Parks key. That's a big keychain. That's so adorable. Look at that. That is so adorable. And ooh, is that it? Yes, that's it. Okay. And we have a collectible pin pack. Cool. So we're gonna open this right now because I want to open it right now. You went to Disney World? Thank you, dude. Okay, so we're gonna open it right now because you guys know me. I can't help myself with these. Oh, what? 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 Wait, I can't get it out. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. 5 pins. All right, let's show the first one. It's a trap. Why is it a trap? First pin is Mickey. Okay, so these are all the pins we can get. These are all the pins we can get. Second pin is... Why is Valkyrie saying it's a trap? Dumbo. No, sorry. It's my boy. It's my boy. It's your... I thought it was Dumbo because of the ears. It's Eeyore. Oh yeah, we're not playing Fortnite right now, are we? Sorry. Okay, so we got Eeyore. Yeah. Hype. Third is... They have Oswald? I don't think they have Oswald in this one. Third is... Dolan, nice. Fourth is... Pooh, awesome. Man, I'm getting everyone. And the fifth and final one is... Dale. Very cool. Dude, these are such good quality. Wait, there's 5 of them in here? Wow. That is so... They are... Look at the quality of these guys. Oh my goodness. Yeah, 10,000 defense right there. Cool. Thank you so much, dude. Thank you so much. You are absolutely awesome. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. I don't even know what to say. I'm gonna have some green tea too. We're gonna have green tea. So this is gonna go on my wall of sum-sums. I started with a shelf. It's turning into a lot more than that now. I have a wall of sum-sums now. Look at the wheels. Look at the tires. And look at the bottom of the car. Those wheels can't touch the ground. It's not going to go anywhere. Alright. Thank you so much. Dude, KStiles, man, you are so awesome. I don't even know what to say, dude. Thank you so much. That is incredible. Thank you, dude. Thank you, thank you, thank you. I'm going to have so much fun with these. This, I don't know what I'm going to put it on because it's heavy. Yes, Valk, there it is. Wow, the quality of these, man. Incredible. Thank you, man. Thank you so much for that. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Okay, so we're going to keep going with something else. And actually, we're going to keep the hype going on this. Because this next box is not really a fan unboxing as much as it is a fan help. So huge, gigantic shout out. I got to put this on properly. Huge, gigantic shout out goes to Valkyrie Bunny, Valkyrie Rabbit, aka Monochrome Rabbit. She did me a solid that you guys have no idea, and it's gonna benefit you guys as well too. So this package is coming to us from San Diego, and inside of it is something very, very cool. So let me open it up first. I'm actually really excited for this. So Valk helped me out with this. This would not have been possible without Valk, because she... Thank you, Valkyrie. Thank you very much. Okay, so here we go. It's a purple bag. Wait, did you put more stuff in here, Valkyrie? I think... Did you put more stuff in here, Valkyrie? Valkyrie. Valkyrie. There's more stuff here than what I was expecting to see. Okay. So first... I'm gonna let that one slide, Valk, just because of this situation. So the first thing I have is this. Some of you might recognize some of these images. How does this work? I don't know how this works. So I think you can actually like clip these on and it turns into like a backpack, right? Oh my goodness. It's got Velcro and buttons and snaps and everything. Oh yeah, there it is. So these things in here clip on to this and it turns into like a backpack. All right. Here, we're gonna show someone off. So this is for my mom because I think she's watching. Look who it is. Look who it is. It's sadness. Okay, so that's the first thing. It's a bag. But pray tell, what could come in the bag? Okay, so Valkyrie, what did you do? Valkyrie, this is not what we had agreed on. Valkyrie. Okay, we're just gonna start from the top. So, starting from the top. Valkyrie. Okay, so this is a fan. Look at Valkyrie. Look at Valkyrie. So this is totally another fan mail, because this is not what I agreed to. Valkyrie. Valkyrie. Oh my glob. What? It's Spin Battle Super Saiyan Vegeta. Look at him. Look at him. So you can put him together to fight. Oh my glob. I love it. I love it like I love cake. Oh my goodness, it's awesome. Its little arms move. Okay, so there's the first one. Second one is very cool. Wait, is this number one? It's number one of Super. Dude. Dude. Oh my goodness gracious. Dude. Oh, with Dragon Ball Volume 1 in the back too. It's two-sided. You've got Dragon Ball number 1, the original Dragon Ball, and Super number 1. I'm going to have a lot of fun reading that. Thank you, Valkyrie. Okay, so none of this was expected, okay? None of this. What I'm showing you right now, none of it was anything that I asked. Where is the stuff that I asked you to? I have no idea. Okay, so I'm guessing everything that you put with a... Wait, so everything you wrapped? I don't know. Okay. What? What? Boulevard 633 sunglasses? Are they like wood? Oh, those are cool. Thank you. Next. It's a Tucky hat. And it's a Dragon Ball beanie. Okay. So first of all, we'll try and... Oh my goodness. Look at the little hat. It's very comfortable. Oh, dude. Look at this one. Look at that one. Yeah, I know the text is backwards. Sorry. Dude, thank you so much. That is so cool. Valk. Valk. Valkyrie. Valkyrie. Okay, so... There's a button pack. Eating intensifies. Those are my real gifts to you. Okay, thank you. Thank you, Valk. Okay, so... This is... Oh my glob. It's a little pig eraser. Alright, I'm really hot. It's... a little Xfinity TV dinner pin. For those of you who don't understand the Xfinity thing, the bubble wraps are the real gifts to you. Okay. Wait, so the bubble wraps are the ones that... Wait. I don't understand. So for those of you who don't know, me and Xfinity have a love-hate relationship. There is a daisy pin. Those are cool. Man, I need to learn how to make pins like that. There is Clarence, Steven Universe, and Uncle Grandpa pin. Cool. There is... I dropped one. There is a Dale pin. And there is... I love my team and that's how I roll. I don't know what these are. I should flip the camera around. 20,000 defense, yes. And of course, oh my goodness, Eeyore and... Eeyore and Mickey. Those are like almost identical to what I got in the other one. Dude, I can rock double ones. Okay, so what's this? Okay, I'm confused. Thank you, Valkyrie. Yeah, it's thank you, Valkyrie. Okay, I don't know what I asked for. Are we down to... Okay, we're gonna open this one. Because I don't know if we're down to the ones where I don't know if we're down to the ones that that she helped me get. Okay, she's just laughing now. Valkyrie's just laughing. Oh my glob. It's Sushi Cat. It's actually Sushi Cat. Alright, let's see what we got. I've never gotten one of these before. It looks like my cat. Look. Now you have to open them all? Wait, what? Wait, I don't know what you mean. Valk. Wait, what did I do? Did I mess up? Wait, did I mess up? Okay. No, you can't eat them. So, there's a little purple box There's a white box. There's two little purple boxes. There's a bigger white one. And there's a one. Oh. Okay, so this in the bag is what you got for me, right? Yeah, this is what you got. This is what you got from me. Right? That's what I asked you to get. Okay, so I guess everything else. All right. I missed the first blind box. Where? Wait, where? These? Okay, can I open this? This is just... There's a lot more stuff. Yes, there's a lot more stuff. I don't even know what Valkyrie... Oh my glob. How long were you planning this? Okay. Well, do we open them all? We can open them all. Oh, so cute. They're rockers. Okay, we got to open them all, Valk says. Okay, let's open them all. '90s anime laugh. Did I get Steven? I got Steven! I got Steven! Oh my goodness, they are adorable. What? They're so heavy! So they just kind of like rock on your desk, I guess? Original minis fan. Okay. Woo! I got Steven. Woo! Steven. Woo! Okay, so we got Steven as our first one. And I guess this is another one that's just like it. Yes. Okay. Valkyrie. All right, let's open another one. Thank you, Valk. And thank you, Kevin. KStiles, dude. Thank you so much, man. You guys made tonight crazy. Thank you, guys. So this one is... oh, I almost messed it. Oh, it's Pearl! It's Pearl! It's Pearl! They're so funny looking. Look at her nose. Look at her nose. I love it. Thank you, Valk. Oh my goodness. And there's still more. There's still more. Okay. I'm making a huge mess over here. Okay, so last but not least is gonna be this one, I guess. And then the other things are the ones that I'm opening. That, oh my glob. Valk, you just sent me so much. How long have you been planning this, huh? Alright. Wait, is this mine or is this... Wait. Is this mine or is this from you? This is the one I asked you to get me, right? Check it out. Oh yeah. So this we're not opening. This is the 2017 San Diego Comic-Con exclusive Sora, Keyblade, and Mickey from Monogram. So you guys might know that you are able to get these key rings in little bags, but not the golden Keyblade one. Look at Mickey. Look at Mickey. You're so cute. Okay, so there's one. And I'm guessing this is the other ones that I asked you to get me? Yeah. Eating maximizes Valk. Okay. So, first off, huge thanks to both KStiles and Valkyrie. Thank you. KStiles, dude, this is going up on my wall. You have no idea how much I've wanted this, but they've been sold out everywhere because you have to get them from Disney. You have to get them from there. So I've never been able to get it. Dude, thank you so much, man. That's incredible. And I love my pins. I absolutely love them. And Valkyrie, I don't even know what to say, girl. You made a huge mess here. I don't even know what to say. I don't. Yes, your GIF says it all. That says it all too. That's hilarious. So thank you very much too, because originally what I had asked Valkyrie to do was just get me these things, and so she could send me these because I wasn't able to go to the San Diego Comic-Con. So she got me this. This one's for me because I really wanted it for my collection. That's really cool. And I also asked her to get me this. 2 of them. So I'm going to open one and show you guys what it is. You can see San Diego Comic-Con. Oh my. So these are the 2017 San Diego Comic-Con lapel pin set. Oh, they're beautiful. Oh, you can open them. Cool. They're not like sealed. Very cool. They're amazing. Oh my goodness, the attention to detail. So the reason why I had her get me 2 of them is because I'm going to be giving away one of these sets. I don't know if I'm going to give the whole set away or if we're just going to split them up and individually give them off to people. Because yeah, one's for me and one's to give away. So we're going to have to figure that out. I don't exactly know how we're going to do it. Man, they are gorgeous. They are awesome. So we're going to have to figure out how to do this. I don't know yet. The Sora one's a little creepy, but it's cool. Thank you very much. Thank you very much for helping me out, Valk. And then thank you very much for completely destroying my desk because I don't even know what to do now. How am I going to put all this away? Okay, it's all going to have to go in here for now. No, it can't go in there because it's going to make a big mess. Thank you guys. Thank you so much. Thank you.